Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, today I want to make a request. I only required 5 lakhs rupees, and in terms of that, if you pay me 5 lakhs rupees, I will send you on a cruise ship. Yes, you can work on a cruise ship. Just pay me 5 lakh rupees. Nothing else I'm asking. Guys, if you are ready to pay me 5 lakh rupees, you're the most biggest fool in the world. The only reason I'm making this video, the only reason I started this channel, the main agenda to start this channel, Cruising with Goldy, was I want you to be safe and secure, not to get into any trap of a bogus people which is roaming around in a market saying that they will send you on a cruise ship and you need to just pay a registration amount, a certain amount, five, whatever amount they ask you. So please don't get into that. I made so many videos of genuine agencies. This is the video will send you on a cruise ship which will not ask any money. If you have a proper experience, they will send you on a cruise ship without taking any additional money under the table. There are certain amount they will charge you, like for your medical, for US visa. If you're going first time, they'll charge you for your flight ticket and all that. I have already made that video, but nobody will ask you under the table. Now you can see this cutting. It has come in a newspaper. So many guys got into a trap of a fraud agent. You can pause this video. You can read all what exactly happened. Guys, it can happen with you also. So please, guys, it's a request. I'm folding my hand in front of you. Please, if you want to apply for a cruise ship, you can apply anywhere. If a person is asking for money, just run from there. Please do not pay any money, because going on a cruise ship, you don't require to pay any money. You just require a good experience. You can go on a cruise ship. So guys, it's a request. Please share this video with all your friends and family. Tell them not to pay any money to go on a cruise ship, and abroad also required is a good experience and proper qualification. You can work on a cruise ship. So please guys, it's a request from Cruising with Goldie. I will see you in my another video. Bye.